Hello everyone. I figured I'd show you another one of my vintage lamps, and it's this little Tensor model 5975 table lamp. And it even comes with the box, although the box is pretty raggedy. Let's open it up and check this little lamp out. Yeah, the box is deteriorating rapidly. And the lamp is packaged in here very neatly. It comes with a couple of spare bulbs, and we'll take a look at how this thing is packaged. And with that look at it done, let's take the lamp out of the box and take a look at the lamp itself. Bring it in. As you can see from the detail shots on this lamp, it's a rather utilitarian lamp. But again, it's one of those things that I just couldn't resist. My dad used to have a lamp like this in his workshop, and it broke ages ago, and I think it probably got thrown away. But now I've got another one to sort of relive those memories. This lamp has two light settings on it, low and high, and we'll give you a quick demonstration of it here. As you can see, this is a bright little lamp. It's really great for reading or working with. And we'll bring it up to the high setting. Which is quite a bit brighter. Now, I believe these lamps use a low voltage bulb with a transformer in that base. We'll go ahead and shut the little lamp off now. Now, the really cool thing about these is that those bulbs are still available through Amazon. So if you have one of these lamps and the bulb burns out on it, you can get a replacement bulb for it. I happen to have two replacement bulbs in the box that it came with, so I have a feeling this is probably still on its original bulb. And with that, we will conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this classic Tensor lamp. And of course, we will have more videos like this to come. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Later.